the thing we're gonna be doing now, that's the thing you're gonna always be doing until you pass your test. Okay, we're not gonna do nothing more, nothing less. All right?
Okay.
Because for the purpose of the road test, we're gonna do things that they want us to do. We're also gonna show you things that to be safe on the road. All right? So let me ask the question again. This is your first time ever. You've never done behind the steering wheel before.
Yeah.
Okay, good. When you get in the car, the first thing there for you to do is to adjust your seat. How do you do this? Underneath your seat, there is a lever. Okay, you feel it, the metal bar.
Yeah.
And you hold the steering wheel with one hand, and you pull yourself up. And to set it up, you let it go. Okay, good. Now, why are you adjusting your seat? Because when you are here, you look comfortable to me enough. But why are we adjusting the seat? The reason we're adjusting the seat is for you to be able to reach the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Where is the gas pedal? The largest one in the middle. Feel it with your foot. That's what push on it. Beautiful. Where is the gas pedal? Is the brake pedal? The gas pedal is the okay. Can you reach and feel them comfortably? If you're not comfortable, you can move the seat back or move it up. That's the purpose of adjusting the seat.
Okay.
Can you reach them comfortably? Can you, you okay on them, right?
Yeah.
Good. After doing that, the second thing you will be doing is to check to fix the back of your seat. How do you do that? On your left side, there is two lashes. There's the long one against the seat. On your left side, you see the two lashes. There's the long one and there's the short one. The long one is to bring the seat up or down. If you feel like you're too low, you can rise it up. If you think you're too high, you can bring it down. The shortest one in the back is for this back seat. You pull and hold in it, and you push your back to get the seat to your liking. As you're driving, you want to be sitting up driving. You don't want to be laying back chilling. Okay? You bring it up. Is it to your liking? Is it even moving? Pull and hold in it. There we go. Now, but you can pull and hold in it, push it back to your liking. Pull and hold and push it back to your liking. You let it go when it's set to your liking. Is it better for you now?
Yeah. I'm sitting up straight. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, because you have to be real comfortable while you're sitting there, because you're the one that's gonna make all the moves. Okay.
Yeah.
Now after doing that, the third thing we do is to just put on your seatbelt. Your seatbelt is on the right side. Okay, you're gonna bring it over. All right. Right there. Your seatbelt can also be adjusted. If you feel like it's choking you, over to your left side, there is a button here. You can pull the seatbelt down or up if you want to. You may be uncomfortable because you already moved the seat. If you have to move the seat to fix it, you can. But if it's to your liking, you can.
Yeah, it feels fine.
It feels fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Now, the same modality, the same step we are going, those will be the same step when you're doing your road test. The only difference is that the examiner will not tell you what to do. They will be expecting of you to know what to do. When they get in the car, just like you did, they will tell you set up while they're setting up as well. Okay? Now, after doing that, now we're gonna adjust those mirrors. You see the left and right mirror and the inner and the inside mirror. To adjust them, the car is demotorized. We have to turn the key on ACC. ACC stands for what? Accessories. Now let me take this off here. She says lock, right? You see, it says ACC and it says on, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna turn it to accessory. I want you to do the same thing yourself.
Okay.
We'll put it on accessory. Do it yourself. Accessory, right there, beautiful. Now you have enough power to fix the right and left mirror. Now beside the vent here, this way it says L and R. Let me show it again. You see where it says L?
Oh, okay.
L is for left, R is for right. Okay? I want you to push the top to L, and beneath it says mirror. Okay? Beneath it says mirror. You want to adjust the left mirror where you can see the back passenger door handle on the right edge corner of your light with the rest of the car being out. Let me explain what I mean by that. Let me show you here. This is my right edge corner to my mirror, and you have the right edge corner here to your mirror as well.
Yeah.
You want to be able to see the back passenger doorknob in that corner. Can you see it easily?
The back.
The back passenger doorknob coming in the car. Can you see it?
Yes.
You don't have to do anything. It's just into your liking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to do the same thing here with the right side. You're gonna push the top to R, which is right, and you're gonna adjust this mirror here by going out. You want to see the back passenger door handle and this right side here by pushing the mirror out.
Like that.
That's correct. until you can see it to your liking. You see what I'm talking about? Can you see the back passenger door handle?
Yeah.
Yes, because the purpose of adjusting those mirror, you do not want to see much of your car. You want to see much of the outside.
Yeah.
That's correct, because those are the people you're going to be paying attention to, as well as you want to be able to see also if somebody coming in your back door, so you're not going to miss it, because from right here, there's nobody can come here for you not to see them. And the back door, that's the one that you may not be able to see. You know what I'm saying?
So do you put it like the farthest out or just like?
No, yeah, the farthest house you can, as long as you can see those. Yes, the farthest house.
Is the
You want
best
to see
option?
more street,
Yeah.
then more of your car.
Yeah.
Make sense? Yeah, because we can catch your cars right here, you know your car already. You want to see the street, the traffic that coming. Are they adjusting to your liking?
Yeah.
Good. I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, okay, so I'm getting better now.
Yeah.
There you
So
go.
I want to see as much as
All right.
But without cutting off the back.
That is correct.
Okay.
We good here? Let me know when we're good.
Yeah.
Good. Then this here, you're gonna adjust this with your hands, so it's moving to sit dead in the back. And the back seat, as well as this the back seat, as well as some street in the back. Easily. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Okay, good. As you hear, you don't want to do anything extra to do any verification. What do I mean by that? You don't have to be darkened down to see this mirror.
Okay.
As
so
you're
that's
sitting
why
left, that's correct. As you're sitting this level, you just glance, it should be right to your availability. You should just glance to the left, right to your availability. This, just look at it. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything extra. That's why you're adjusting them to your liking, to your height, to your comfortability.
So it's okay if I see the head of the seat, but mainly
the street? That's correct. Yes.
Okay.
You good? Okay. Good. Now, do you know? Oh, you got. Okay. Now, do you know how? Now, do you know how? You okay?
Yeah.
You okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to hold the steering wheel?
10 and 2.
That is correct.
Like
you
this?
want both of your thumbs to hook the extremity right here.
Right here?
That's correct.
Okay.
Why are we holding it this way? In the event that we have to signal, you do not have to take your hand off of the steering wheel. Okay. Now, with your left finger, with your left hand, with your finger, signal down to the left. You're gonna go down here one notch. Let me show you.
Sorry to distract.
Sure. I'm
my little sister.
Okay, we're gonna take care of here.
Proud of you.
That's right.
Very proud of you.
All right, good. Now, see here, signal left, cancel, signal right, cancel. We don't have to take our hands off, right?
Oh, yeah.
Do your thing.
Okay.
Signal left, cancel, signal right, cancel. Good. And the right hand is for the windshield wiper.
Okay.
One wipe, okay, and mini speed right there. Do it yourself. Give me one wipe. Okay. You got it?
Yeah.
Mini speed. Beautiful. Cancel all the way up. All the way up. One more up. One more up. Now it's cancel. Okay? No, it's cancel. One more up. That's good. You have 3 speeds. We'll get into that deeper.
Okay.
Did you have to take your hands off to do any of those?
No.
Thank you very much. Because when you drive in, you have to make sure both hands on the steering wheel at all the time.
Yeah.
All right? Now, what is the speed limit here in New York City? 25 miles per hour until otherwise is instructed. 25 miles an hour, and the regular should 25 miles an hour until the device is instructed. You know what I mean? Good. Now, where do you see this speeding as you're driving in the car in the 3 quadrant right in front of you? Which one is your speedometer? That's correct. Those are the ones we have to pay attention to. We have to do 25 miles per hour or less. But for the purpose of the road test, they give us 5 miles above the speed limit, so we can go up a little bit, but we have to keep it within the 25 miles per hour. All right?
Yes.
Any questions from you regarding that, the quadrant in front of you? You're not going to see anything now because the car isn't moving.
Yeah.
Once it's moving, that's why you're going to see the progress. The needle on the left, that's why it goes up.
Yeah, I'm just looking. So the difference between this one and that one.
Which one?
These numbers here and then right here.
Yeah,
Okay, so you said this one. Right?
Yes, the outer here,
Outer,
the outer, yeah, is the speed limit that we're going to be looking at. Okay? Now, we're going to be going to here. This is parking, reverse, and drive. Those are the 3 main things we're going to be using throughout the course. Okay? Now, in order for you to move this, you have to have your foot on the brake. We push to the right. Okay? Everything downward from there. Let me show you. Push to the right. This one is on here. Everything is downward. R, it says reverse here, and look over there. Reverse here. Downward. D, it says D here, D there. Push out to the right, all the way up, parking. It says P here, P there. See it?
Yeah.
Now by yourself, shift, foot on the brake, shift to drive. Foot on the brake, shift to drive. Beautiful. Drive, okay? Show me where it says drive again.
Right here.
Beautiful. Shift to reverse. Show me where it says reverse again.
Right here.
Put into parking. Show me where it says parking again. Any questions for me regarding that?
So you want my
Take your foot off the brake.
You want my
Try to do it now.
Oh.
Okay. It's a safety measure to make sure that any kid cannot just come in the car and start it to drive.
Okay.
The kids is too little to have their foot on the brake, and here, unless somebody show them, they will not know what to do.
Okay.
Okay? Good. Any other questions for me for right now?
No.
Okay, all right. Folks, yeah, just been with Pierre Driving School. There's a student here that was the first time lesson ever. We always make sure we go to basics because as you do in your road test, you must always familiar with all these basics. Today we do almost half of those basics because you only have 45 minutes in the lesson. We're gonna drive for the rest of the minutes. So next time again, we're gonna pick up the other half. By then you will be real familiar with everything on the car. But what I'm gonna tell you here, for the purpose of the road test, whatever you do, contrary from going straight, you must signal all of your attention. Okay, what I mean by that, we park here. When we're gonna pull out, what are we gonna do? We're gonna signal to the right because we're not going straight. You have to move into traffic to drive. All right.
Okay.
And also, what do we do after we signal? We have to do what? We check the mirror and we verify the shoulder. Make sure nothing is coming in your blind spot. You check the mirror first. When it is completely clear, then you verify the shoulder. You got me?
So I
Mirror right, and I see nothing coming. I do shoulder right. You got me? That's correct. And the back to see if there's a matter coming.
Okay.
You ready? Whenever you're ready,
Wait,
you check the mirror. I see a car is coming. I'm not gonna look. Now I check the mirror again. I see a car is coming. I'm not gonna look. After this thing, everything clear, you think it's good to go. You will check the shoulder
Over
to
my
cover the
shoulder,
blind
not
spot.
the mirror?
No, not the mirror. Okay, let me show what I mean by that. I'm making a face. You see my face? Can you see it in this mirror here? My face. This hands here. Can you see my hands here?
Barely.
Okay, what about now?
Yeah.
Can you see my hands here in the glass, right?
Yeah.
Can you see it here?
Yeah.
Can you see it here?
Yeah.
What about now? Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
What about now? Can you see it?
Like half of it.
How can you see the fully?
Or just the
No, looking over the shoulder.
Oh, okay.
You with me?
Yeah.
Because the mirror can only cover so much. The blind spot, you have to look back to see it. You got me?
Yeah.
Any questions before we start up, or you good to begin your first driving? Any questions for me, or we good for now?
So look at the mirror, and then if nothing.
You can the shoulder right next to you, and the blind spot we cannot see, just like you're looking now.
And then if nothing is coming, and then pull off, right?
Yeah, you ready? Foot on the brake. Start the car. One more
Wait,
to your
am I pushing hard enough? It
foot
feels
on the
like...
brake. Just put your foot on the brake. Just push it on.
Okay.
Yeah. Stop the car. Okay, that's good. Let go. All right. Whenever you're
Let go
ready.
of the brake?
Not yet.
Okay.
You do not let go of the brake. You always hold on to the brake. If you let go of the brake, the car gonna go. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready, we're gonna pull into traffic. Okay.
Okay.
What are you gonna do? No. Shift to drive. Take your garbage in. Remember, all the way down to D. Okay. Signal up. Beautiful. Turn your wheel. One full turn out to your right. Turn the wheel. One full turn.
One full turn?
And one full turn out to your right. One full turn. One full turn. Beautiful. Take your time here. Okay. This guy gonna take your parking. All right. We're moving out to get the parking, right? Okay. We're moving out to get the parking. Okay. All right.
No, not the parking. I'm
Okay.
just
You
putting her
good?
in the back.
Okay. You're good. All right. Off the brake. Let's go. Off the brake. Let the car go. Begin to roll back. Turn the wheel back. Off the brake. Turn the wheel back. Turn the wheel back. Turn the wheel to the left. Don't look at your foot. Turn the wheel to the left. Okay, nice and smooth. Let's keep straight. Congratulations, you
Oh
pull
my
off the
God,
right
I'm
way.
so nervous.
No, you're good.
Wait, so my foot...
Accelerate. A little gas. A little gas. A little speed. A little gas. Guys, okay? Keep going. Keep driving. Keep driving. Yep. At the light, right turn. Folks, like, share, and subscribe. This is our first lesson here. She's pulling off pretty good. Nothing terrible. She did very well. Did you have any questions so far, or we good for now?
We're good for now.
All right. At the traffic light coming up, making a right turn.
Okay.
Signal the turn. Remember, which way is right? Right is up. No, you signal left.
Oh, we're going right?
Making a right turn. Yeah. Let's go off the brake. Give me a little acceleration. No accelerate on the turn. Big, no guys. Turn the wheel. Now hold it back. Let the car turn itself. Okay. After the car finish, you recover from the turn.
Okay.
Okay.
Solid.
Do you have full control of your car?
Yes.
Continue to drive. driving straight. Okay, keep going here. All right, folks, keep pushing, keep going straight. Yes. Just being here with Pierre driving school. This is driving school in Brooklyn, New York. Her first lesson ever. She did very well. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. If you guys keep going straight, you're doing good. We cover keep driving to slow. Remember speed limit? 25 miles per hour. That's correct. We cover all the area here in Brooklyn, New York. Especially new student, we specialize on that. You and I can learn together. Okay, we're not gonna stop. No brake. Let the car roll up. Okay, I want you to cover your brake until you come to a nice and smooth stop. Until then, folks, keep practicing. If you want more video on this and this stuff, put in the comment below. All right, we'll be more than happy to help you. Take care now. Bye bye.